Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Bought this lot just to take apart, see how they work. VTech, VTech Go-Go or something. They were 3 for £1, or at least they were in a box of 3 items for £1. So I bought 3 of them, but I also bought 3 other things. That, and a little robot that's in the other room. Anyway, I'm taking those apart in a separate video. This one is just one of those ones that goes round Flexi track, I think is what it's called. I have done videos on Flexi track in the past. I've just put fresh batteries in it and it appears to be absolutely fine. So that was a handy little find for 33p. It's got a good motor in it. Gearbox, it runs. Got flashing LEDs. Flashing blue-red LEDs. Got a red, blue one on the back. And we got a broken one just there. So I could do a repair on it. It wouldn't surprise me if that's red ones on the front. Ah, yeah. Oh, well, I'll do a little video on repairing that just for the fun of it. Not just now. I just put batteries in it, as I said, just to see if it worked. Little flyer. I'll put a link in the video description to my other Flexi track finds, charity shop finds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.